At 63, he hit rock bottom. But what he did next will change how you see life forever. I lost everything in my life when I was 63 years old. My marriage ended after 38 years. The business that I had put my heart and soul into for over 25 years was sold to my partner. It seemed as if fate had dealt me a cruel hand, snatching away everything I had worked so hard to build and leaving me with nothing but regret and despair. And just like that, I found myself alone with nothing but the clothes on my back and the memories of what once was. Terrifying because I had spent most of my life in the safety of routine and familiarity. I enrolled in a course that had caught my attention, but I had put off taking for fear of failure. With nothing left to lose, I gave it my all, threw myself into the learning process, and emerged with flying colors. Setbacks and failures are just a part of the journey. Well, let me tell you, it all starts with your mindset. When faced with adversity, some people adopt a victim mentality, wallowing in self-pity and believing that their circumstances define them. On the other hand, those who embrace challenges view them as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. It's all about how you choose to respond. There are countless stories of people who have made a complete turnaround in their lives later in age. So don't let anyone, including yourself, tell you that you're too old to pursue your dreams. It's never too late to start over. Remember, age is just a number, and it's never too late to start over. With a positive mindset and the right support, you can turn your life around and achieve anything you set your mind to. They read the twists and turns that shape our paths and lead us to where we need to be. Share your story in the comments below, and let us continue inspiring each other to keep going no matter what life throws our way. It is easier said than done, but try to see the positive side of things. Because sometimes when life knocks you down, it's giving you an opportunity to pick yourself up and start again. It's a chance to learn from your mistakes and come back stronger than before. I discovered that I had a natural talent for it, and it opened up a whole new world of possibilities for me. But exhilarating, because now I could do whatever I wanted without any expectations or obligations. Instead, take charge of the situation and make the best of it. But it's what we do next that truly matters. Do we stay down and give in to the despair? Or do we rise above and keep moving forward? The choice is yours. Look for the silver lining, even if it seems impossible. You may not be able to change what happened, but you can change how you react to it. So pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and start again. As I navigated through this unfamiliar territory of loneliness and uncertainty, it was like I was living in a nightmare from which I couldn't wake up. But then something amazing happened. After hitting rock bottom, I realized that I didn't have anything left to lose. This newfound freedom was both terrifying and exhilarating. Through this venture, I was able to support myself and even spoil my grandkids with all the toys they desired. There are people who genuinely care about you and want to support you on your journey. So don't be afraid to ask for assistance. Looking back, I can honestly say that losing everything turned out to be the best thing that could have ever happened to me. It gave me the opportunity to reinvent myself, pursue my passions, and achieve financial success. It was at that moment I decided to take a leap of faith. Not only did I find a new passion, but this newfound skill also became my ticket to financial independence. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your life was going off track? Maybe you've experienced a major setback or felt stuck in a rut and unsure of what to do next. If you're nodding your head, I want you to know that you're not alone. We've all been there at some point in our lives, but here's the thing. You might be thinking to yourself, but how do I do that? How do I turn a negative situation into a positive one? When faced with a setback, don't just sit there and complain about your bad luck. Remember, you're not alone in this. We've all been through tough times and we've all stumbled and fallen. And hey, don't worry about being too old to start over. Age is just a number, my friend. If you're feeling a little lost or uncertain about where to start, don't hesitate to reach out for help. In conclusion, setbacks and failures are inevitable parts of life. But instead of letting them hold you back, embrace them as opportunities for growth and change. Now I want to hear from you. What has been your biggest setback in life, and how did you overcome it? Stick around, his story might just rewrite your own. And if it moves you, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.